And to more stories now, and Machakos County has rolled out a rabies control campaign in a bid to reduce the number of bites by infected dogs. Machakos County is one of the leading counties rabies cases that have been reported, with majority of the population not being aware of how to control this deadly disease. Philip Keitani has the details.
Inadequate surveillance and testing has left Kenyans vulnerable to rabies, a disease spread by dog bites that is almost impossible to cure without immediate treatment. Over the years, testing of animals has lagged far behind the number of bites reported, leaving Kenyans ignorant of the true risk they face from the disease. With Machakos County being ranked among the top 5 counties leading in rabies disease, stakeholders have now come out to fight the disease. According to Dr. Charles Ochodo, Senior Director of Veterinary Services, State Department of Livestock, says that on average, they only do about 200 to 500 dogs in a county, which translates to 40%, which is very low as they are slowly moving to 70%.
More important, we need to have what we call dog identification. And the way we intend to identify dogs is to have them licensed through their owners. Even the Constitution provides for this in Schedule 4, licensing of dogs, and is a county function.
In 2006, the Ministries of Health and Agriculture spent 1.5 billion shillings in a mass dog vaccination exercise across 5 counties in a campaign that was aimed at eradicating rabies by 2030. At the time, the campaign focused on education to create awareness because a lot of people, especially those in rural areas, were not aware of the dangers rabies poses, yet they spend a lot of time with dogs.
As we endeavor to vaccinate dogs in Machakos County, we also find it a good complementary measure to control the dog population in this particular area.
Dr. Ochodo is now calling upon all county government to license all dogs and have enough staff to go around, provide enough facilities for movement, and get enough vaccines, if possible subsidized as a short-term measure to control the disease, and also control dog population like sterilization, castration, and spay-neuter. So far, no county is rabies-free.
Kumekuwa na shida ya magonjwa zaidi, hata mpaka ng'ombe zinaumwa. Unapata daktari akija anasema isikuliwe izikwe sababu iko na rabies tayari. Hata punda, paka pia na umbo zimekuwa zikiumana ovyo ovyo.
According to Dr. Leiza McCarthy, who is also the president of VetTrek Foundation, says his organization is now doing sterilization services for dogs and cats so as to curb the disease by decreasing the animals.
Too many dogs especially creates more opportunities for negative interactions between dogs and people and possible dog bite wounds.
Farmers could not hide their joy, but insist more need to be done. According to the veterinary officers, the spay-neuter services goes for 8,000 to 14,000 shillings, but this day it was offered free so as to control dog population in Machakos County. Philip Keitani,